You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. How do you say it? Well, there might be quite a few different ways of pronouncing it depending on the language, but let's say that in English the two main pronunciations for it are as Eliel, Eliel, with a stress on the last syllable. It is also sometimes pronounced often as Eliel, Eliel, or Eliel. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.